Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ria and I am 25 years old. I always wanted to create content but never got a chance to do it. So here I am shooting my first video ever and let's get started. So I recently went to Thailand for a 7-day trip. Yes, so I got a lot of stuff from there. So I got food, I got skincare, I got makeup, but obviously it's been 1 month to be there. So snacks तो सारे ख़त्म हो गए हैं, but I have all of my skincare and makeup products which I got from there and I really wanted to show you to you all guys. So the first product is this Vaseline का SPF 50 Daily Protecting and Brightening Serum. It has PA, not triple plus, but actually they have mentioned 4 pluses on their packaging. This is so crazy and I found it unique because it is not available in Indian market as of now. Also, it protects you from UVA, UVB, pollution, the light which is coming from your laptop and your phone, and also from the AC. Such, this is crazy, and this was for 149 baht. In Thailand, they use baht as their currency, so you have to convert the baht into Indian rupees. So this is for 149, but this is crazy product, and the quantity they have given me is 300 ml. This is such a huge packaging, and also guys, do adore the color of this packaging and the color of my top, which is looking very pretty, and it has a great formula. I have to say, it instantly get observed to your skin, doesn't leave any white cast, smell nice, it doesn't feel sticky at all, and it has so many benefits. I hope Vaseline launch it in India as well. So this is the very first product which I am very happy about. Next, as I'm talking about a serum and a body product, so the next product is from the Carissa. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is the second product, the Carissa, and it is a Hydra Glow Brightening Body Lotion. So it has 5% of niacinamide, vitamin C, 2 types K, and antioxidant superfood complex. So it is from the brand Beauty Buffet, and the reason why I bought this is only because of the smell it has. Trust me, I tried it in from their tester product and the smell got me like I have to buy it guys. This is so good and so hydrating lotion, and the smell of it, it's just so nice. It gives a nice smile and a shiny finish when you apply it, and it has got a lot of good ingredients, but the smell, oh, now I know why Thai people smell so good and they look so aesthetic. First of all, they were giving me the Korean vibe, okay, and most of the products are also from the Korea as well, okay. So this is actually from Thailand and it is so good. It actually hydrates you, it boosts your radiance, it is anti-dark spot, and it also even your skin tone, which is great. And this big bottle I also got only for rupees 100. Yes, this was so cheap. And in Thailand now, what I observed, okay, they have things for everything, like you imagine, and they have it and that's why they look so polished and so nourishing. Next, I'm talking about the body products. So the next body product is it is a Beauty Secret 4 whitening soap. Yes, it is made of radish and peach. These two particular products are being used in it, and it is a bestseller. ये bestseller के ऐसे section में लगा हुआ था, so I picked it up. It is made in Thailand. यहाँ पे ऐसे clearly लिखा हुआ है, it is made in Thailand. And this I haven't used it right now, but it seems promising. And any product of there is really good actually. If I show you from inside, this is a big simple oranges bar. I will try it and I will let you know how it is and how it feels for sure. So and I'm sorry guys if this video is turning into too English. मैं हिंदी बोलने का ट्राई करती हूँ, ओके, क्योंकि मुझे आपको ओके. सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ ये है सिविका राइस मिल्क विटामिन ई और कोलेजन के साथ एक क्लेंजिंग क्रीम. ओ माई गॉड, आई बॉट इट बिकॉज इट हैज़ द राइस मिल्क, एंड राइस आप सबको पता है कितना अच्छा होता है आपके स्किन के लिए, एंड उसके बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं राइस के. सो दिस आई बॉट इट एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई एक्चुअली कि ये कैसा होगा, क्या होगा. This I also got very cheap. This is for 80 baht only. Yeah, and the soap which I showed, this was also cheap. This I got for only 30 or 40 baht only. Okay, so this was for 80 baht, and this works very wonderfully. If you want to do a quick smooth skincare, just grab a little of this, apply on your face and massage it well. It will leave your skin like crazy. It will give you the smoothness and you will feel very hydrated after using this, and this is all the purpose of this particular product, so I loved it. Okay, so next product is from Naturals by Watson, and it is a lavender body scrub. I bought it, to be honestly, because of the packaging. I really like the packaging, this wooden cup and this thing, and it was only for 30 baht, which is a great thing, and I found it really nice. I haven't used it yet, it is still sealed. The moment I will use it, I will also post a review of this particular product for you all. So now all the body products are done. Now moving to a hair product. Okay, so I only have a single hair product. Okay, so this is by the brand Precious Skin, and I anyway started using it as well, as you can see. So it is a charcoal keratin treatment mask. This is such a good mask, guys, literally. Let's now move to the skincare product. Okay, so the very first thing, which is guys, this is Sentio Ka Pink Lady Collagen Radiant and Firm Overnight Mask. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is so good, like literally so good. I got it in two actually. This is the first one, this is the second one without the cover. I started using it as well, and this is so good. The texture is amazing, the fragrance is amazing, and everything is so good. All you have to do, just wash your face, do anything, whatever you feel. You can combine it with anything, and it is to increase the collagen in your skin, so it will be really good. And you just have to apply it like a normal serum, and so job. You have to don't wash it, you have, and it will not even feel sticky at all. Let me show you the formula of it. Okay, so this is the serum. First, the smell is so nice, and this is the formula. This is such a good formula that I cannot tell you. I'm applying it here, and you will see how instantly it will bring shine to my skin, and the little goes a long way. As you can see, मैंने बहुत थोड़ा सा लिया था, बट ये कितने अच्छे से स्प्रेड अप हो चुका है, and I don't have to wash it, I don't have to do anything, and you can see this is such a good product, guys. I am definitely going to buy this. You can also buy this from Amazon, but this from Thailand I got it only for 100 or 200 baht, and in India it is available for 1500 on Amazon. I checked it. So this is the product. This is such a great product. Let's move to some of the fragrances. Okay, so the very first fragrance which I bought is this from Mon Paris Deco, it names, and it was so cheap. It is an EDP, by the way, so it was so cheap, that's why I picked it, honestly. So it was only for 50 baht, and but the smell is really nice. It is has a nice party wear fragrance that you can wear on a, like, and it is a EDP, so it will last you also long. And the packaging is also nice. This is a sleek bottle and black thing, and you can carry it easily as well if you wish. So I also got this as well too. So this is the final packaging. This is how you will get it. Next I was next product is also a fragrance, and this I got when मैं 7-Eleven में ऐसे randomly घूम रही थी and just wanted to check क्या है क्या नहीं है. So I got my hands on this. I really impressed by the packaging. Very cute packaging, like color theme and everything is very good. So I really like its packaging. Second thing, it stated that it was for hair and for body, both of them. So it's a hair and body mist, और इसमें odor clear technology है, और ये आपको 48 hours last करेगा. These things really impressed me, and that's why I picked it up. So this is by the brand Cute Press, and it was also very cheap, and it is in the fragrance Fresh Floral. It was also for around 100 baht. So yeah, and this is like a everyday thing for me. I apply it very 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 very. मैं हर दिन इसे यूज़ करती हूँ, हर दिन इसे यूज़ करती हूँ. इसकी fragrance is so good. It has a light flowery fragrance which you can use it on a daily basis, and it's a hair mist as well. So आप इसे अपने hair पे लगाओ, body पे लगाओ, and I would say it doesn't last a lot, but for 1 to 2 to 3 hours it's good to go. So it's really nice. It doesn't last for 48 hours. So this is the product. Next, moving to some makeup. Or before makeup, let me show you some sheet masks which I got, and these are from Korea, guys. I'm so excited to see them. Mask. The very first mask is this. This is again a snail collagen essence mask. This is paraben free, alcohol free, mild preservative. It is for all screen share. It is made in Thailand. The packaging is so good. The color theme is so. Trust me, you are not ready for this. Next product which I have is straight from Korea, and it is a Bright Me Glow Jelly Mask. I'm very excited to use it. Oh my god, the moment I saw it, like, ये तो चाहिए, ये तो चाहिए, ये तो चाहिए. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is also a sheet mask, but it has got jelly into it. So this will be not like a normal sheet mask, it will be a jelly mask. So it is made of completely jelly, and you will, as you can see, this is a Joji Secret Young. Joji, I believe some तो actor is, कोई तो ये actor है, but ये इसका secret mask है. So ये आपको luminosity देगा, glow देगा, ठीक है, and ये 13 केमिकल से बना हुआ है, एंड एनीथिंग और तो मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ पा रही क्योंकि इसमें सब कुछ हाई में लिखा हुआ है. सो या आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू यूज इट. अगर मैं इसको आपको अंदर से दिखाऊं, सो इसके साथ ना 2 चीज़ें आएंगी. दिस इज़ द स्टेप 1 एंड दिस इज़ द स्टेप 2. ओके, सो यहाँ के शीट मास्क के जैसा नहीं कि एक में ही सीरम और एक में ही मास्क है. So they have given mask अलग से and they have given serum अलग से. Okay, so what I feel कि आपको इस serum को इसके अंदर डालना है, maybe हाँ mix करना होगा, and then you have to apply it all over face. So this is the combo, and really excited to use it. I wish I could get 2-3 more. Why I haven't picked them? It's okay. Let's move to the last segment, which is a makeup segment. And actually from makeup I got only 2 products. One which is free. Yeah, actually when I bought the body lotion and this mask, so I bought this two, and other some stuffs as well. So the lady, the shop owner, gave me this eyeshadow free, Yes, this eyeshadow I got it for free, and this is from the brand The Bakery Princess eyeshadow. It's a single eyeshadow palette. Just the packaging is very normal, like just like Indian products. It is also from the brand Beauty Buffet. But I thought, okay, I'm happy. But the moment I tried it blown my mind because इसकी पिगमेंटेशन इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. इफ़ यू let me tell you the swatch. Can you see the swatch? This is so good. And currently मैंने अपनी आँखों पे भी यही लगाया हुआ है, अगर आपको ध्यान से दिखे तो. I put in the same thing. This is so good. मतलब आप इसे अपने अंदर लगा लो, सिर्फ इसे लगा लो, your eye will blink. You will have the prettiest thing. मतलब I am so lucky that she gave me this and I'm so happy about it. So this is the first makeup product from Thailand. So moving to the next makeup product which I bought from मैंने अपने खुद से लिया is a lipstick. Yes, a lipstick is a must. And let me show you the packaging, guys. Look at the packaging. How cute is their packaging? So this is in the ऐसे कैप्सूल से फॉर्म में ये लिपस्टिक थी, एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड ओहो. दिस इज सो क्यूट. दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड ओहो, एंड दूसरे साइड में लिखा हुआ है मैड लव लिप वेलवेट. ओके, सो एंड इट इज इन द शेड 06 हर्ट बीट. ओके, सो दिस इज द शेड, एंड this I am wearing it right now, as you can see. This is such a good lipstick of my life, literally one of the best lipsticks of my life, because the texture is so good of it. Like, this is so smooth. It is transfer proof, I have to say. It is transfer proof, but the texture of it, the smoothness of it, and how comfortable it feels on your lips. You can actually use this lipstick without any lip balm, straight on your dry lips, and you will not feel any discomfort. And this is the thing which impressed me, and this was also not that expensive. This was also very cheap, and this I got it for only around 120 baht. So yeah, so according to price, the quality they are saying, and this is so cute. Like, this is so cute and so chewy that you can I carry it. I am till the point where जब से मैं इसको लेके आई हूँ ना, मैं इसको हर दिन यूज़ कर रही हूँ. लिटरली मैं इसे हर दिन यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So this is my favorite. Completely favorite product. This is all from my side for today. I hope you will like it and support me in my journey. Let's meet again. Bye bye.